In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the gear shop location in Grow a Garden in Roblox. So over here at the top, as you can see, there's only 3 teleportations you have. And in case you're new to the game, of course, the garden will take you to your garden. If you go to the sell, it will take you to the sell shop where you can sell stuff. And then seeds is right next to the sell shop. And this is where you can actually buy all of your seeds. Now, over here, there's actually no gear shop, but you've heard of it, and people, of course, have been saying it's in the game, and that is because it is. And let me tell you how to get there. Now, to actually get to the gear shop, it is at the other side over there. So let me just walk over there, wait for this to render in. Over here in the middle, currently, there's this Easter shop. And at the other side, there we go, as you can see, there's the gear shop on the right next to the quest giver. So to basically get to the gear shop, unfortunately, there's no way of teleporting here. I don't know why that is, so I'm not sure why you can't teleport here. I just know that you have to walk over here, and then you'll be able to get to the gear shop. And inside the gear shop, in case you've never been here, you can buy watering cans, which basically speed up plant growth. You can buy different sprinklers from advanced to godly, master, and basic, etc. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's how you find the gear shop. It's on the other side of the sell and the seed shop, and that's that. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.